welcome to this style guide edition featuring Dean. Dean had been making waves in the music industry for years already, but not just as a singer. He's produced and written music for groups like EXO, VIX, and also solo artists like Ducky and Lehigh. He credits his musical genius from pop culture, films, movies, and of course, from fashion. He's been quite experimental with his tone of music, which has also influenced him as a person, along with his personal style. Let's carry on and further investigate the fashion aspect, shall we?
Style Guide Edition. Dean. Style Guide Edition. Dean.
What I've noticed about Dean is that his outfits often carry a sense of flair that I would call maybe modern hip-hop. To break that down, the stereotypical hip-hop look would be baggy pants, white shirts, and big jackets, but Dean puts a little twist on that look by substituting the regular jeans with canvas and other types of white fitted pants, and expanding his range of jackets with vests, worker jackets, oversized coats, and also tech wear clothes. But when I say tech wear, I don't mean that typical ninja look. Dean adds a bit of color to his styling, and come to think of it, he reminds me of a certain someone, but I just can't think of who. With that being said, you won't find Dean in all the colors of the rainbow, but you can definitely spot him in the occasional mustard yellow, almond, beige tones, navy, or olive colors too. He layers a lot of items, sometimes casual, minimalistic, sometimes with a lot of prints, and creates this military aesthetic with buckles and straps. What I've also noticed is that he likes accessorizing with a lot of rings and earrings and necklaces, chains. I think you get the picture. That is to say, I've become a fan of Dean's clothing. At first, I was very skeptical because he used to be very clean cut and had this very down-to-earth look going on, but I just think he is really discovering himself and redefining what it is that he wants to look like as a Korean artist, and his music definitely represents that. And I was about to curse, and I mess with that. I don't F word with it, but I mess with it. Anyway, thanks for watching this style guide edition. Don't forget to subscribe and leave me a comment if you love it, because I love it. And until next time, bye.